In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch accounts on Meta Business Suite. If you manage more than one business profile, brand account, or connected social account, knowing how to switch between them quickly can save you a lot of time. The good news is that Meta Business Suite makes this pretty straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to move from one account to another in just a few clicks. To get started, make sure you're already inside Meta Business Suite. Once you're on the main screen, look to the upper right corner of the page. You'll see your profile area there. This is where Meta stores account access options, including the ability to switch profiles. Go ahead and click on your profile. After you click, a small menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option that says Log in with another account. This is the setting you'll use when you want to access a different account instead of the one you're currently using. Click on Log in with another account to continue. Once you do that, Meta will bring you to a login selection screen. Here, you'll be asked to choose the type of account you want to use, depending on what you're trying to access. You can select Facebook, Instagram, or another Meta account. Choose the option that matches the account you want to switch to. At this point, simply continue through the login flow for the account you selected. Make sure you choose the correct account type so you land in the right business environment. This is especially important if you manage multiple pages, ad accounts, or client profiles, since using the wrong login can take you to a completely different workspace. One helpful tip is to pause for a second before signing in and confirm which account you actually need. If you regularly work across several businesses, the names and profile icons can sometimes look similar, so taking that extra moment can help avoid confusion. And that's it. To switch accounts on Meta Business Suite, you just open your profile in the upper right corner, select Log in with another account, and then choose whether you want to continue with Facebook, Instagram, or another Meta account. Once you complete the login process, you'll be inside the account you need. If you're following along while doing this yourself, just repeat the same process anytime you need to move between accounts. It's a simple workflow, and once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes very easy to manage.